Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I have in the Madam Glam September collection. This time we are traveling to Washington, D.C. This is the Wanderlust Collection. So I did get 4 colors from the Wanderlust Collection. You're definitely into more fall tones, like off gray type of shades. So I am excited to get into this collection. I have my swatch sticks. Let's go ahead and get started. No particular order. This is Stone of Hope. Here's what Stone of Hope looks like. Kind of blends in with my background. Kind of a taupey gray shade. It's kind of like a grayish. It's got some tan tone to it, but it's also gray. This next one is Purple Hero. Here's what Purple Hero looks like. You guys know I like my purples. It's a beautiful light to medium purple with a gray hue to it. This next one is Walk in the Park. Here's what Walk in the Park looks like. It is a gray teal type of a shade. And this last one I have is Pink Liberty. Here's what Pink Liberty looks like. It is a light, kind of pinky purpley shade. Let me go ahead and cure these, do a second coat and a top coat, and we'll look at all of them together. Okay, so here are all 4 colors, and I did mattify half of the swatch. And these are really pretty. You can tell that they are like fall tones. I feel like you could get away with using them in the spring, but all of them have that like gray, toned down, like muddy type of color to them. Hopefully they're coming across in camera as they are in person. They are super pretty. I do want to do some comparisons. So for Stone of Hope, I did pull 2. I pulled a Pretty Liar, and I also pulled a Sandcastle, which the Sandcastle is the one that has like the slight texture to it. So Pretty Liar has a little bit more of a purple hue to it. It's a little bit darker and leans more purple. And then Sandcastle actually leans a little bit more gray, and then it has that texture to it. So this one is really like a grayish, like a tan gray shade. Then for Purple Hero, I feel like I don't have anything from Madam Glam that is like this muddy purple. I pulled Lavender Springs and Light Lilac, which are not comparable, but those were the closest I had to it. So this is a nice addition. I feel like we have something similar from Ellie, though I don't have all of my Light Elegance out quite yet to show a good swatch, but I feel like maybe Puddle Play or something like that from Light Elegance might be close to this one. And then for Walk in the Park, again, nothing really close in my Madam Glam collection. I have Vintage Blue and Mindset, which Vintage Blue is quite a bit darker, definitely more teal. This one, Mindset, is a blue gray, but you can tell that Walk in the Park has that teal to it. I did want to compare this one to Don't Be Shy from Light Elegance. I did find this swatch stick, and Don't Be Shy is a little bit darker, but it is definitely that same tone. And for Pink Liberty, again, I feel like I didn't really have anything comparable. I pulled Tulips, which I think is going to be the closest, quite a bit brighter, but it is like that pinky purple type. And then this is Scream, which is not really comparable. This is really like a muddy pinky purple shade. So again, here are all 4 of the colors that I got. I will pop up on the screen the full collection here so you can see all of the lovely colors from the Wanderlust collection. I do want to do a quick tutorial. I'm thinking fall florals with these. So let me pull some stamping supply. I think stamping is going to be my best bet to get what I want. So before we get into the tutorial, I want to show you what I have pulled. I did pull out this clear jelly stamping plate. It's the small number 5. I'll write on the screen what the title of this one is, but it's got some pretty florals on it. It's brand new, I haven't used it. Stamping polishes, I pulled number 9, number 6, and number 41. So we got a dark red, a pink, and then a rose gold. And then I pulled number 38 and number 61, green and sparkly green. And then number 31, brown for the leaves. I'm gonna use these 2, Stone of Hope and Pink Liberty. And then I did pull Lavender Honey to use as an accent. Okay, here is what my set came out to be. I did use matte top coat on all of them, and the matte top coat gave the glitter a really cool effect. Here's what it looks like shiny. But I feel like this is a beautiful, romantic floral set. This is a good transition into fall set as well because it does have the toned down pink. You could do this in spring, but I feel like this is more of a fall floral. I really loved how they came out. I'm like, should I put it on my nails now? I'm excited to do my next set. Of course, I have my eye on this purple. Ooh, what if I do a purple version of this set? You guys will have to let me know in the comments what you would think about a purple version of this floral set. Okay, so here again are all of the colors as well as the set I created here with them. Especially now that I have them with the florals and then looking back at these, I feel like it is a very I wouldn't say a dark romantic, but it's definitely like a deeper romantic type of a collection because it has those toned down colors, but we're not into like the super dark colors. I am really enjoying all of these shades. I'm excited to play with them. I really like all of them. There's not a shade that I don't like, and they're all good additions to the collection that I didn't have before. You guys will have to let me know in the comments if you picked up this collection or if you're going to. I know my video is a little bit late. If you haven't already watched my packing vlog, I did move. So I'm sorry that this video came out late, but I got it up as soon as I was getting unpacked. I'm like half unpacked in the nail studio. I got my Madam Glam and some art out so that way I could do comparisons and do this tutorial for you guys, but it's still work in progress. The October collection will be coming out soon, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that one. I will get that one up a lot earlier than I did this one, I promise. And I do want to say a thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these colors. As always, I do have my code with them. It'll be up on the screen as well as in the description box down below. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my swatching and tutorial videos. Make sure you subscribe to see what other tutorials that come out very soon, hopefully using some of these colors. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!